Hello everyone, welcome to Vocab Mindmaps, where we can learn our daily with its usage, antonyms, and synonyms. So today's word is about.
So, today's word is about. About can be used as an adjective, as adverb, or as a preposition. So, as you all know, preposition is a word that normally come before the noun and it express a relation to another word in a clause or element in that clause, such as the man on the platform or she arrived after dinner. Okay, so let us see how we can use or what is the meaning of about with respect to preposition. So here, of, concerning, in regard to. Let us see the usage. Instruction about the word. Suppose a teacher has given some instructions regarding to an assignment. So we can say that the teacher has given the instruction about the assignment. Or the second example, about a book about the civil war. Suppose we are having a book and the book mentions something specific. So we can say that a book about that particular incident or a book about civil war. Coming to the next thing, connected or associated with. We can use about uh, when we are referring something. We are referring something about someone, such as there was an air of mystery about him. Okay. Now, coming to the second part, if we are in case of adverb, what is the meaning of about? So, or how we are using about as an adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb such as he sings loudly, an adjective that is he is very tall. So you can understand that how what is an adverb. Now, if we are using about as an adverb, we can see what is the meaning with respect to that. Near in time, number, degree, etc. Near in time, degree, number, and etc. Or approximately. So let us understand this with this particular example. It's about 5 miles from here, that we are saying that it is about 5 miles from here, that we are calculating the distance. Okay, we are using this particular constant with respect to time, with respect to degrees, or if we are referring something that is very approximate, so we can use about here. Next, if we are referring something that is about to happen or something that is almost or about to be ready, so we can use about, just such as dinner is about ready, that is dinner is just going to be prepared. Okay, now coming to the third part, that is adjective. So an adjective is a word that describes the noun or pronoun, such as old, such as green, such as cheerful. Okay, so it is an adjective. Now, if we are using about as an adjective, how we can use it? So here, moving around or astir. Let us understand with this with the help of an example. He was up and about while the rest of us still slept. That means he is already up and he is just moving here and there, uh, while we all are just sleeping, and he is just moving here and there. Okay, now in existence, current, or prevalent, something that is going on nowadays, we can say that we are using about in the form of adjective, such as chicken pox is about. That means here chicken pox is about means chicken pox is currently is currently going on. Okay, now coming to the words, there are some words that are closely related to about. They are sometimes there are synonyms and sometimes there are antonyms, but there are something that some words are directly very closely compared to about, such as about to, approximately, and around. So that's it for today, and we will meet in our next lecture. Thank you.